Hi everyone, myself Linga Reddy. In this session, we'll discuss osmotic related problems. Let me explain first problems. This is different models. I will explain different models for JE. Right. The first one here, find the osmotic pressure. Right. So they are giving here, find the osmotic pressure, 0.25 molarity. Right. So osmotic pressure is 5. This is we don't know. We want to find out. So here the concentration is 0.25 molarity, and aqueous solution of urea at what is the temperature here? The temperature is they are giving 27 centigrade temperature. R value we know that the gas constant, right? This gas constant is liter, atmosphere, and Kelvin inverse and mole inverse. This is calorie, Kelvin, and mole inverse. We have to take this is right. What is the formula? Osmotic pressure formula here, pi equal to CRT, already derived in theory video, right? Here pi equal to, the concentration is here 0.25 into what is the gas constant here, 0.0821 into what is the temperature here, 300 Kelvin temperature. So actually the temperature we have to convert into Kelvin. Here they are giving centigrade. What is the conversion here? 273 plus whatever they are given in centigrade temperature. We have to add here some x number. We will get the 273 Kelvin, some Kelvin temperature will get here. So you will get the temperature in Kelvin. So I hope it's clear. And then and here, so osmotic pressure P is pi equal to 6.15 atm pressure will get here. Atm pressure will get, atmospheric pressure. I hope it is clear. So this is the, we got pressure of this solution. And next one more model problem, right? Second question here. So two solutions glucose have osmotic pressure. So we have two solutions, right? This is the one solution, this is another solution. So this is solution having here 1.5 atmosphere pressure and 2 atmosphere pressure, and 1 liter, and this is the 1 liter. The first solution is here 1 liter, right? And second solution is here 2 liters. This is 2 liters, this is the 1 liter. So this 1 liter is mixed with the second solution of solution. So osmotic pressure of resultant solutions, right? Here one thing, this is also glucose, C6H12O6. This is also glucose. This is also glucose and glucose. The solute is same here. Osmotic pressure is different and volume is different. So which formula we can use? Already we discussed in theory, right? So that is pi 1 V1 plus pi 2 V2 is equal to, what is the resultant osmotic pressure? This is R, resultant osmotic pressure, into total volume, volume 1 plus volume 2. So what is the here the value here? So this is osmotic pressure P1 is here, pi 1 is 1.5, and volume is how much will here, 1 liter, and this is osmotic pressure is 2.5 liters, 2.5 atmosphere, and here volume is 2 liters, and resultant pressure we don't know, we have to find out. This is 1 plus 2, right? So what is the here the resultant osmotic pressure? R is equal to, resultant osmotic pressure is equal to, right, here 1.5 into 1 plus 2.5 into 2 divided by, that pi will be this value taking here divided by here. So what is the value here? 3, 1 plus 2, 3, and here or pi or resultant is equal to, here we'll get nearly 6.5 by 3. The pi resultant equal to here 2.16 atm. So this is the resultant osmotic pressure whenever mixing these two solutions. I hope it is clear. And next one more model problem right here. Osmotic pressure of solution at 0 degree centigrade. The pressure is 4 atmosphere. What will be the atmospheric pressure at 546 Kelvin under the similar condition? Already we know that we discussed one relation here. Pi is equal to directly proportional to concentration and temperature, right? Here temperature vary here 0 degrees to and 546 Kelvin, right? The osmotic pressure also changes. So which formula we can apply here? So for example, here, for example, we are taking one solution, that is pi 1 equal to RT T1, and second condition, pi 2 equal to CRT2, right? So here the concentration is there constant here. They won't mention any concentration, and the gas constant also constant. Only remaining this, the pressure is, your osmotic pressure is varying here, osmotic pressure, and temperature also varying. So the two temperature they are giving, one atmospheric is they are giving. What is the second atmosphere they are asking question? I hope this question is very clear. So what is the resultant formula I am writing? Phi 1 by pi 2 is equal to T1 by T2. So the first atmosphere, the pressure is here 4 by pi 2 is equal to, what is the temperature here? 273 Kelvin temperature, 0 centigrade nothing but 273 Kelvin temperature, by what is the here the mentioning temperature? 546 Kelvin temperature, right? That pi equal to, what is the here answer? Pi is equal to 8 atm pressure. So this is the resultant pressure whenever the temperature is rising. So I hope it is clear. Right, one more model here. The question is temperature at 10 percentage of weight percentage volume, weight by volume percentage, 10% they are giving here, and glucose exhibit osmotic pressure is, the osmotic pressure also they are mentioning here. So gas constant also they mention. What is the temperature? The temperature they are asking, right? What is the meaning by 10 percentage of aqueous solution weight by volume? So 10 grams of weight present in 10 grams of weight of solid present in 100 ml of solution, 100 ml of solution, right? This is the exact meaning by 10 percentage of weight by volume percentage. Generally the osmotic pressure here, the formula here, pi is equal to CRT. C equal to nothing but concentration. This is concentration nothing but molarity. What is the molarity formula here? Molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in volume in ml. So here volume in ml. So this is the formula. So instead of, we can see, we can write this concentration term here. So what is the, we can get here? Pi equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by, right, V in volume into, and what is the here gas constant into temperature. So substitute these values, we'll get the here temperature, right? So what is the osmotic pressure in mentioning the in the question here? 16.4. So 16.4 equal to weight. What is the weight here? 10 grams, right? 10 grams, and gram molecular weight of glucose is 180, and here 1000 by, so where it is present here? 100 ml. So this is 100 ml here, 100 ml. What is the gas constant here? 0.0821 into, what is the temperature? We don't know, so we have to find the temperature here. So temperature is equal to, here we can find out, finally we'll get calculation here. So what is the here temperature here? And 360 Kelvin temperature we are getting. So this is the way of doing this question. I hope it's clear. Right, next one more model question here. Right here, here 18 grams of glucose, 6 grams of urea dissolved in a 1 liter of solution. So here one container is there, in this 1 liter having, not container, right, 1 liter of water we imagine here. In this 18 grams of glucose is there and 16 grams of urea is there dissolved in a water. We are maintaining the temperature, it is 27 Kelvin, 27 degrees temperature we are maintaining. So what is the resultant osmotic pressure they are asking? How we can calculate here, right? So general formula here, what is the general formula? Pi equal to C by pi equal to CRT. This is the osmotic pressure formula, right? C equal to concentration, we know that C equal to concentration. What is the concentration? Number of moles present in a volume of 1 liter of volume of solution. So we can take here pi is equal to n by v RT, right? This v we can take here. So here pi equal to pi into v equal to n RT. But here two different solution is there, two different solid particles, right? We know that n is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. That gram molecular weight, this is the number of moles formula, right? So here two solids is there, different solids is there. One is glucose, another one is urea. So we can take here pi is equal to pi into v equal to here n1 plus n2 into RT, right? So here we can take pi into v equal to here weight of 1 by your molecular weight of that solute, for example glucose, place next to urea, weight of urea by molecular weight of urea, and into RT, right? So here pi equal to, what is the here the volume, the dissolving in 1 liter, right? So equal here, just a minute, here they are giving volume is 1 equal to, what is the weight of glucose, here they are giving 18 grams. What is the molecular weight here, 180, place what is the weight of here, 6 grams. What is the molecular weight here, 60, into here what is the gas constant, we know that 0.0821. What is the temperature here, 300 Kelvin temperature. 27 degrees temperature means that is 300 Kelvin temperature. So that pi is equal to, what is the here answer is 4.926 atm pressure. So this is the pressure we have whenever two are dissolving in these solutions. I hope it is clear, right? One more model question here. So here a solution containing 10 grams per decimeter cube urea, molecular weight is 60, we know that, is isotonic with 5% of non-volatile solute. So the molecular mass of non-volatile solute is, here asking isotonic solutions. Isotonic solution means what here, right? Two here solutions is there. One is the 10 grams 10 grams of urea, this is one solution, and another one is this 5% of non-volatile solute, right? These two are isotonic nothing but the pressure of the osmotic pressure one solution, the osmotic pressure of first solution equal to osmotic pressure of second. So osmotic pressure of first one is very clear, they are mentioning is urea. So osmotic pressure 2 is here non-volatile, this is nothing but unknown, right? Unknown, we don't know, right? These two are isotonic, the pressure is both are equal. Already we discussed in video the concept of osmotic pressure. Same, the concentration also same here. The concentration of 1 urea equal to concentration of 2, this is urea, right? Urea, and this is unknown solution, this is unknown solute, right? Osmotic pressure, another osmotic pressure is equal, the concentration also equal. What is the concentration formula? Already we discussed the molarity formula, right? So here weight B solute into 1000 by here molecular weight of B, that is nothing but urea into volume, that equal to, this is the about urea, right? And here C2 is same, weight of solute by into 1000 by your molecular weight of B into volume. So this is unknown solute. Very clear. What is the weight of urea is there, 10 grams, right? What is the molecular weight here, 60, right? Here the molarity concentration here, that is 100, right? 1000. How we can take 1000 here? So this is 10 gram per decimeter cube. Decimeter cube nothing but 1 liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, right? This is 1000 ml here. I hope you are clear. And then next one, the weight of substance here, this is the 5 grams. You're mentioning very clearly 5%. And then next one here, the volume, this is volume percentage, 5 grams present in 100 ml of solution. This is the meaning of 5%. So here what is the here we are taking 1000 ml. So resultant we want here molecular mass of solute, unknown solute will get. We can substitute these values, we'll get the molecular weight of unknown solute. Let us discuss in next slide. Right. So here 10 into 1000, I am substituting value 60 molecular weight of urea, and here 1000 equal to 5 into 1000 by molecular weight of solute, we don't know, unknown solute here, this is. And next one here, this is the meaning of 5%, already I told. 5 grams present in a 100 ml, so that 100 ml we are taking here, right? So what is the MB value here, that molecular weight of unknown solute value here, 300 grams for mole inverse. So this is the answer for this question. I hope it is clear. One more model question here. Right, 5% of cane sugar isotonic with 0.877% of urea. Calculate the molar mass of urea if the molecular mass of cane sugar is 342. So these two solutions are isotonic solution. The atmospheric pressure of two solutions are same, right? So first of all, what is the molar concentration of sugar here? So molar mass concentration of sugar. So molar concentration of sugar equal to, generally formula, weight by molarity formula, weight by gram molecular weight into here 1 by V in liters, right? That equal to here, right here, weight of the solute here 5 grams, so 5% here, and divided by into here 1, and what is there here, molecular weight of cane sugar is here, here the sugar, cane sugar they mentioned 342 into 1. Right, next one, molar concentration of urea, same formula here, but what is the weight we are taking here, what they are giving here, 0.0, this weight we have to take here, so 0.877, this is a weight. What is the urea molecular weight here? We have to find out the urea molecular weight, calculate the molecular weight. Okay, so this is gram molecular weight, we don't know, into 1. Here also 1 multiply, same 1 only coming. So now here these two solutions are, and this one and this one, this is osmotic pressure is 1, this is osmotic pressure is 2. These two solutions are isotonic solutions. So mentioning in the question isotonic solution, nothing but the two pressures are equal, so the concentration also become equal. So here 5 into 1 by and 342 into 1 equal to 0.871 into 1 by gram molecular weight we have to find out into 1. So that here the gram molecular weight is equal to, nearly we will get here 59%, something we will get here, just a minute. So here we will get 59.98% will get, equal to nearly 60. So we know that the gram molecular weight of urea is 60. So I hope it is clear. This is one more model question. Next, one more model question is there. See here, the osmotic pressure of solution organic substance, here 18 grams, right? 18 grams in 1 liter. So some organic substance it present in 1 liter of the solution, right? 1 liter of solution, right? So the temperature is maintaining here 293 Kelvin temperature, and then the osmotic pressure here, this is osmotic pressure is how much is there, 2.414 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter inverse, right? Find the molecular mass of substance. If you the S nothing but R, the R equal to here 8.31 joule Kelvin inverse for mole inverse, right? The simple formula here, what is the formula? So osmotic pressure here, right? Osmotic pressure, generally osmotic pressure formula, the pi, right? Pi equal to CRT. C nothing but concentration, so concentration nothing but C is equal to number of moles present in a liter, so N by C, N by V equal into RT. So N nothing but weight by solute, weight of solute by gram molecular weight of solute. Already derived this formula already. So this way I am writing here, the V into here weight by gram molecular weight into RT, right? So here now by using this formula we can find the gram molecular weight of solute. This is the gram molecular weight of, that is more molecular mass of solute. I hope it is clear. So let me explain very clearly. So here the osmotic pressure they are giving, so this is the osmotic pressure, this is the osmotic pressure, and then they are giving volume here 1 liters, right? The weight of substance they are giving, this is the weight of substance, right? The gas constant they are mentioning here, what is the gas constant? This is the gas constant. So what about the temperature? Temperature also they are mentioning in there, this is the temperature, this is the temperature, right? I hope it is clear. Just substitute this value in this formula, we'll get the molecular mass of this solute. Just rearrange the formula. So molecular mass, gram molecular weight equal to 18 by 2.414 into 10 to the power of 5 into 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into here 8.3 into 10 into 293 Kelvin temperature. So equal to will get 181.33. So this is the gram molecular weight of solute is 181.33. I hope it is clear. So this is the way of doing the such a like these questions. So I hope it is clear. Very simple question here. The find the osmotic pressure. They giving here the concentration. Already I told m by 20 concentration. M by 20 nothing but 1 by 20, that equal to 0.05 here. And then next one here, this is the concentration. So next here find the osmotic pressure. This is osmotic pressure, we don't know, we have to find out this one. They're given their condition here to 27 degrees temperature nothing but 300 Kelvin temperature, right? So temperature also mentioning here. The S value is equal to here how much here, 0.0821 they are mentioning here. So S nothing but the gas constant only. So general formula, what is the formula of here? The formula, so pi is equal to C into RT, right? Pi is equal to here, so concentration how much is there here, 0.05 into the gas constant here 0.821. What is the temperature here, 300 Kelvin temperature. What is the resultant answer is here, right? Pi equal to 1.2315 atm pressure. So this is the resultant osmotic pressure. I hope it is clear. Next one more model question. So here, what is the volume of the solution? They are asking here volume, right? Very clearly they are mentioning volume. What is the volume? The containing 1 gram mole of sugar that will give rise to osmotic pressure of 1 atm 1 atmosphere pressure at 0 degrees centigrade temperature. Generally formula here, we have to apply this formula. So osmotic pressure is equal to C into RT. Already we know that what is the concentration is equal to number of moles present in a volume of liter. Here pi is equal to here N by V RT, right? This is, we can rearrange the formula. Here we want to V value, volume we want, right? Volume is equal to N by, and here what is that here, osmotic pressure into RT. So this is the formula of to find the volume. So just we can observe the what is the information they are giving in the question here. Very clear, they are mentioning 1 gram mole, right? So N equal to 1 gram mole. So where it's present here, nothing they are giving. So the volume is here, we imagine 1 liter of volume, right? The next one here, the temperature is here centigrade they are giving. So in Kelvin means 273 Kelvin temperature. And then next one, the pressure, pi is equal to 1 atm they are giving here, 1 atm pressure here, 1 atmosphere pressure, right? These values are substitute this formula, will get volume. Let us write here. Here V is equal to here 1 by V, and the volume also 1 liter into the gas constant. How much here? We know that 0.0821 into temperature, how much? 273 Kelvin temperature, right? What is the volume here? Totally we can find out here, volume here 22.4 liters the volume will get here. So this is the volume of the gas. So this is one more model question here. So I hope it's clear, you understand well. So any doubt is there, you can comment me, ask me, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.